Hi everyone, in the last video we had seen the aggregation functions in SQL, but the aggregation functions not always help us to find the real solution. Suppose in this dataset, the products table, we want to find out the average value of each product. And if we do the aggregation function, if we use the average value of the unit price, it gives only the single row and it is not a feasible solution. So in that scenario, the group by clause help us to find the solution. So we want to find out product name, average of unit price. This unit price from this products table, and we want to group by them product names. If we run this query, now we have got the average product, average unit price of each product, and we can also find out the minimum value of each product. So that's how the group by function help us to group the values based on some other variables, and it is always used with the aggregation function. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.